In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Clickup. By the end, you'll know exactly how to sign in, find the right place in your workspace, and attach files to a task so your team can access them quickly and reliably. Start by opening your browser and going to clickup.com. On the home page, select Login. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. Pick the Google account you use for work and complete any prompts. If your organization uses Google Single Sign-On, you may see a quick confirmation step. Just proceed and you'll land in your ClickUp workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the folder that contains your project. You'll typically find folders in the left sidebar. Click the folder to open it, then choose the list where you want to upload the file. Lists are collections of tasks, so pick the one that matches the project or workflow you're working on. If you want to upload files to a brand new task, click Add Task. Give the task a clear name so collaborators know what the files are for and save it. If you're attaching files to an existing task, you can skip creating a new one and simply open the task you already have. In our example, we're opening the newly created task. Inside the task view, scroll down until you see the area for attachments. Depending on your layout and screen size, this section may appear toward the lower part of the task or in a panel. Look for the option labeled Attach File and click it. From the attachment options, select Upload File. Your computer's file picker will open. Browse to the file or files you want to add, select them, and confirm. You'll see an upload indicator while the files are being added. Larger files may take a bit longer. Keep the task open until the upload completes. When it finishes, the files will appear in the attachments section of the task. You can click a file to preview it, download it, or copy a link to share with teammates who have access to the task. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Choose the correct list and task before you upload so files stay organized. Use descriptive file names to make search easier later. And if you don't see the attachment option, check that you have permission to add files in that space. That's it. You've signed in, opened the right folder and list, created or selected a task, and uploaded your files using Attach File and Upload File. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit any section if you need a refresher.